As we head into the nighttime hours, a wet but weak weather maker's working its way through up near Binford. Highway 1, we're seeing some flakes on the DOT camera there. We have the squidgy type of precipitation down here in the south. Temperatures just above freezing south, hovering close to freezing north. And that is where we see the snow flying, is in the slightly cooler air. 34 right now out at Hector and also at Moorheads Airport. Wind from the east-northeast is blowing at 9 miles per hour. Here's a look at rain extending all the way along the I-94 corridor through Minneapolis into southeast Minnesota. There's an area of mixed precipitation here in the middle and snow mainly up to the north as we head into the late night hours. Another round of moderate precipitation in the form of rain showers making its way towards Dickey and Lemoore counties. Look at the pink that we see here in Stutsman County. The terrain in and around Jamestown and the James River Valley there may actually have some spots with some very slippery roads developing in this area. Now we go just north of that into Griggs, Steele, Trail counties. We're seeing some showers of snow that extend into Grand Forks County and points north into northwest Minnesota. And this is where the air is cold enough where the snow is likely starting to stick on some grassy areas. This will be the heavy, wet, slushy snow, but not have too lofty of totals as we go through the overnight hours. Radar showing mainly snow from Becker County and north into Clearwater and Mahnomen counties at this hour as well. As we head through the overnight hours, this vacates the area out to the east for the most part, and by daybreak we'll have light winds and temperatures below freezing. So pay attention to those roads, to those sidewalks. First thing in the morning, slow down, give yourself extra time. We may have some patchy, icy areas, even on the interstate. Get down to the south, you too could have some slippery spots with your rain showers freezing on some roads and sidewalks. Up to 2 inches, a few spots could get as many as 3, maybe 4 inches in north central Minnesota by the drive in the morning. Then a break from the weather. Still cloudy, light winds from the north at about 10 miles per hour. Temperatures climbing to near 40 degrees for many of us. And then late to the Thursday, our break from the weather is over. Friday's system begins taking shape and moves into the western and central portion of the Dakotas with some snow developing out in that direction. No significant accumulations by 10 o'clock tomorrow night expected, but Friday, portions of the region could be seeing some serious weather. More on that in a second, but right now we'll focus on your Thursday planner. 30 degrees to start, slippery roads, northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, and temperatures peaking in the low 40s here. Here's Friday's system. Now, the track is not determined because models are still disagreeing, but this storm is expected to strengthen and the wind gets quite fierce. As we have snow, models are showing the best chance along Interstate 94 and to the south, with the heaviest snow bands setting up from east central portions of South Dakota into southern Minnesota, where there could be some very lofty totals. We may get sizable amounts. We'll keep you updated with that, but if you have travel plans south or southeast, keep that in mind. Here's a gorgeous shot Vincent captured of the sun in Grand Forks. Now your forecast shows we won't see much sun on Thursday nor Friday as a windy storm system makes its way through mainly our southern counties into Saturday. After that, we'll continue the melt with temperatures, if we do not get a lot of snow, that will peak near 50 degrees by the time we get to Tuesday. It looks like something we've all been waiting for, is to say 50 degrees on the thermometer, and I hope to join you in celebrating that occasion.
We'll be close on Tuesday.
Yes.
Thanks, Dutch.
You bet.
Some